Oh my goodness, look! Hi guys! Look, we have our Coolio magic microwave today. Why don't we go ahead and open it up? There's so many gumballs in it. I mean, there has to be something cool. Whoa! Oh my goodness, look! There's a giant red egg in there. And it sounds like something's in it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh yes, look! We got all of the Paw Patrol. Marshall and Rocky and Chase and Zuma and Wubble and Skye. Look at all of them. You know what? Why don't we stick them in here with the egg and see if they turn into anything cool? Let's start with Marshall. Let's add a couple red gumballs in there. Okay, let's stick it in the microwave and see what happens. Wow! Let's do the chicken button. Or maybe, yeah, let's do the chicken button. Okay, let's see if anything cool came out of the egg. Oh my goodness! Marshall turned into his riding outfit and he got super big. Look how big he is. Oh my goodness. Look how cool Marshall is. That was awesome. I can't believe that happened. We have to try that again. All right, Rocky, you're gonna go next. And let's throw in a couple green gumballs. And you know what? Maybe a yellow one too. All right, let's see what happens in the magic microwave. Pizza button. Oh my goodness. That one was fast. Let's see what's in it. Look what Rocky turned into. He's a totally cool pup food ninja. Look, he even has a yellow belt from our yellow gumball. What happens when we push his little tag? Oh my goodness, look what comes out. That's so cool. Look at our cool Paw Patrol. Oh my goodness. Okay, why don't we do our next Paw Patrol? Like Chase. Chase, you're next. With Chase, we're gonna put a blue gumball and a yellow gumball. There we go. Okay, now let's put this back on. Let's see what happens with that. Okay, let's do the popcorn button. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's open this up. Ah! Look what Chase turned into. He's a super pup. Oh my goodness, he has a cool yellow cape. He's blue and yellow like the gumballs we did. Cool. Look at all these cool Paw Patrol we're getting. Oh my goodness, let's do it again with Zuma. Okay, Zuma, what are we going to put in you? Let's just do orange in you, Zuma. Orange gumballs. Let's see what happens. Ooh, let's see what Zuma turned into. Oh, what's that? He's squishy. He has a little loop. Ooh, look, It's a flashlight. Look. Ooh, blue flashlight. Oh my goodness, he's cool. Cool Zuma. Look, he's the same size still, too. And he's wearing his cool orange hat. Okay, let's do it a couple more times. Come on, Rubble. Let's throw in some yellow. And you know what? Let's throw a purple in with Rubble. See what happens. We're gonna do the pizza button again. Yay! I'm so excited to see what Rubble turned into. Oh, what is that? Oh my goodness. It's Rubble as a cowboy. And look, he has a purple bandana like our purple Gumball. What happened when we push his button? Oh, look at that. Dig up some dirt. Oh my goodness, he's so cool. Look at his cool cowboy hat. Oh my goodness, look how cool all of our Paw Patrol is. Okay, we have one left, and it's Skye. So let's just put in some pink gumballs with Skye. Cover her back up with our little egg. And then let's do the baked potato button. Let's go. Come on, come on. Yay! Oh, this is our last egg. We gotta enjoy it. Ooh, it sounds fun. Oh, look what Skye turned into. Whoa, she turned into a Weeble Wobble. Weeble Wobbles can't fall over. Look when you spin them around. Whoa! Wow! Hitting all the Gumballs, all the Paw Patrol. Look how cool all of our Paw Patrol are. Alrighty then, say bye to all the Paw Patrol. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh my goodness. Look what was in the blender. Hi guys. Look at all of these M&Ms in her blender and microwave. Oh my goodness, it looks so yummy. Let's go ahead and open up the microwave. Are you ready? I don't know if you're ready. Are you sure you're ready? Yeah, are you ready? Ready? Here it comes. Oh! Oh my goodness. That, oh my gosh, there's so many M&Ms. And look who all fell out. Oh my goodness. Let's look at everyone. We have Marshall from Paw Patrol. He fell out of the red M&Ms because he wears red. We also got Zuma. He was in the orange M&Ms because he wears orange. Next up was Rubble from the yellow M&Ms. And then Chase with the green ones. Wait, this is Rocky. Rocky in the green ones. And then Chase with the blue ones. I would think about Chase a lot. And then last was Skye. She was with the purple M&Ms. Scoot over, guys. We don't want Skye to fall off. Look at our cute Paw Patrol with our microwave. Oh my goodness, that looks so fun. Okay, we need to pull all of these M&Ms out of the microwave now. Oh my goodness. Can you have too many M&Ms? I don't know, because I can't even... Oh, there's so many. Okay. Whew. Let's get all of those out of the way. Oh, there they go. There we go. So we can close the microwave. Oh my goodness. Okay, there. There we go. Now, let's put some stuff in the microwave and see if we can get something cool. Like, Skye. Let's put Skye in their microwave and see what we get. Let's see. I'm gonna press this chicken button. Let's do that one. Oh my goodness. She got really big and turned into a ninja. Pup Foo Skye. Oh my goodness. That was cool. Oh, go back in. I'm happy that's how Skye turned out. Let's keep going with Chase. I wonder what Chase will turn into. This time, let's click, ooh, baked potato button. Let's do that one. Ooh, yum. We got Ninja Chase too. That's just awesome. Look at his button. Oh man, Pup Foo is awesome. All right, let's keep going. Next up is Rocky. Let's see, for Rocky, let's do popcorn. Oh my goodness. Look, it's Rocky. He's a ninja too. Everyone's becoming a ninja. Whatcha? Pup Foo. We're not gonna be able to fit everyone on the microwave. Rubble, are you ready? Go, Rubble, go. Go, Rubble, go. I'm gonna do the T-bone steak. Oh, yes. Oh, Marshall! Rubble turned into a Pup Foo ninja too. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay. We only have 2 left. Zuma and Marshall. So let's put Zuma in. Oh no! Paw Patrol fell off. It's getting a little too slippery back there, huh? That's okay, you guys can stand right there. All right, let's do this chicken leg. Oh, what? This one's not a ninja. It's a super pup. Chase is a super pup with a cape now. Oh, that's cool. Marshall, you're the last one. On yours, we're gonna do hot chocolate. No way! We got another super pup, Marshall. Look at all of our cool Paw Patrol now. Oh, they're pretty sweet. All right, next up, we gotta pour out the blender. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. Look what was in the blender. Ooh. Oh my goodness, there's Shopkins. Let's go ahead and look and see what's in there. Okay, look at this cute one. It's a cute little mask. So let's see. I got our little paper here. And on here, it says Maddie Mask. Cute Maddie Mask. Let's see what else we can find. This one's a cute little cake. Let's see. It's a pink cake. So it's gonna be under Princess Party. And it's Queenie Cake. Let's see the next one. How about this one? This one's Popcorn King. Cute. We got Queenie Cake and Popcorn King right by each other. Ooh, look at this one. This looks like a birthday party or surprise party. Yeah, look, this is Gracie birthday cake. We have a lot of food on this one. Ooh, we also got some balloons. These are a lot of balloons. That's funny. Look how cute they are. And this is the last one. It's a little cupcake. Where's our little cupcake? Is it on this side? Yep. It's a Sarah fairy cake. Aww. That was fun. That was a lot of M&Ms too. Alright, say bye to all the Paw Patrol and Shopkins. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh my goodness. What is that? What? Look at all the Paw Patrol that fell out. Hi guys, look what we have today. We have the magic microwave. So why don't we go ahead and open it up and see what we can do with it today. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. What is that? What? Look at all the Paw Patrol that fell out. We have Zuma and Rocky and Marshall and Chase and Skye and Wubble. Look, we got all the Paw Patrol and they're all cowboys and Skye's a cowgirl. That's so funny. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with Skye. Skye's our cute little cowgirl. All right, Skye, let's see what's gonna happen today. Let's go ahead and press the chicken button. Here we go. What is that? Skye, what happened? I'm a dinosaur now. I like it. Yeah, you're a dinosaur. Oh my goodness, what are you going to do about it? Run around and eat stuff? Okay then. Who wants to go next? I do. All right, Wubble. There's our funny little Wubble cowboy. Let's put him in the microwave and see what he's going to turn into. Here we go. We're gonna press the chicken drumstick again. Oh my gosh, Wubble turned into a dinosaur too. Look, this one has spikes all over. Ooh. Rah! Now we have 2 dinosaurs so far. All right, let's keep going. Zuma, you're next. Look how cute he is in his fun little cowboy outfit. All right, Zuma, let's go. Drumstick button. Oh my goodness, look what Wubble turned into. He turned into a dinosaur too. But he's a T-Rex. Oh my goodness, that's the craziest dinosaur ever. Ah! You just stay over there, Wubble. And let's do Rocky next. Rocky, look at your cute cowboy outfit. Look, he has his cute little bandana and his cowboy hat with his ears poking out. That's cute. He's always green. So let's click our little drumstick button. Oh my goodness, look, Rocky turned into a dinosaur too. But look, he's green too. Good thing they stayed their same colors so we know who's who. Huh, Rocky? Okay then. Oh my goodness, okay. We have 2 Paw Patrol left. So now, let's do Marshall. Huh, Marshall? Whoa. Yeah, Marshall. Marshall's red. And he's a really cute cowboy. Oh, look what Marshall did. Of course, he turned into another dinosaur, but look. He's a Triceratops. Oh my goodness. He's a cute red dinosaur. And he's red, so we know it's Marshall. Alrighty then. Let's put him up front so you can see him. Okay, we have 1 left. Chase, you're the last one. Let's see when we push his button. Ooh, he's ready to go. All right, let's put Blue Chase in the microwave. Of course, he turned into a dinosaur too. And he's blue. Look, we can put our dinosaurs in a fun little rainbow order. Look, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and pink. Look at all of our funny dinosaurs we got. Paw Patrol, I hope you're gonna have fun with all your dinosaurs. Oh, we will. All right, bye, Skye. Bye, Chase. Bye, Rocky. Bye, Rubble. Bye, Zuma. See you later, guys. Bye, Marshall. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh my goodness. Hi guys, we have a major problem today. Look at all of our Paw Patrol. They're giant water toys, but we don't have any water, so they want to turn back into their normal selves. But how are we going to do that? Why don't we go ahead and open up the microwave and see what we can do. Oh my goodness. Look at all of those gumballs. Look, we even have Robo-Dog and Ryder who are stuck as these big water toys. They just want to be their normal toys, normal selves. So how are we going to do it? Let's go ahead and try putting one of these guys in the microwave, our magical microwave, and see what happens. Let's start with Zuma. Ooh, Zuma's just stuck, spinning his arms forever. Okay, let's put him in here and see if we can fix him. Make him feel a little better. Which button should we do? Let's do the popcorn button. Look what we did! We got normal Zuma back! Oh, thank goodness. Zuma, do you feel better now that you're normal? Oh, I feel so much better. Whew, My arms were getting so tired from spinning for so long. Whew. Alrighty then. Whew, we got Zuma all normal, thank goodness. Okay, then let's go ahead and do our next one. Our next one, let's do Marshall's head. He's just a big squishy head right now. I hope we get the rest of his body back. Let's go ahead and try. This time, let's do the pizza button. Can you see what happened? Marshall turned into his super pup normal version. Marshall, how do you feel? Oh, I feel so good. Look, I can feel my legs and my cute little tail. Oh, good. I'm so happy. Woo! Not just my head anymore. Oh, good. Yep, look, now we got Zuma and Marshall back. That's awesome. All right, let's keep going. Who should we do next? How about Robo-Dog? He's a water squirter right now. You can squeeze him like crazy. All right then. Let's close this up. And this time, let's do the chicken button. And let's try to get a normal Robo-Dog. Oh yay, look! We got normal Robo-Dog! Look at him. He's all normal and ready to ride. Woo! Oh, thank goodness. How you feeling, Robo-Dog? Funny little dog. All right, let's keep going with the other Paw Patrol. This time, let's do Chase's head. I think Chase is ready to be normal again. Let's do this hot chocolate button. Check it out! We got normal Chase. He's a super pup like Marshall. That's awesome. Oh my goodness. How are you feeling, Chase? Oh, so good. Check out my leg. Look, I can move it. Woohoo! No more just head. That's right. Look at you guys, looking all good. All right, next up, let's do Rocky. Oh my goodness, look at his crazy mermaid tail. Merpup. Let's change him back to normal too. Oh good, look! We got normal Rocky! Oh, except look, he's a pup foo! Ninja pup! Look how awesome! Oh my goodness! That's pretty sweet. Pretty cool. Look at all of our Paw Patrol. Okay, next up, let's do Ryder. He doesn't want to be a squeezy water toy anymore either. Check out Ryder! Oh, he looks so sweet with his goggles on. And look, we even have his little skateboard. Woo. Whoa! Good thing, Ryder, we missed ya. Oh, I feel so good now. Woo! Oh, good. We only have one Paw Patrol left to do. And look, it's Skye. Look at her crazy eyeballs. Let's get our normal Skye back. Oh, look. We got some super pup Skye. Oh my goodness, look, we got all of our normal Paw Patrol now. You guys all so happy? Yeah, we're so happy. Oh, good. Alrighty then, say bye to the magical microwave and Paw Patrol. Bye.
Bye-bye.
What? Marshall turned into a cupcake. Hi guys, look who's in the microwave. Oh my goodness, it's all of Paw Patrol. It's a whole rainbow of them. Let's set them up in order. Okay, and then I think they want to take turns in the microwave. So let's go ahead and put one in there. Let's put Marshall. Marshall likes to wear red. So let's put him in the microwave. All right, let's see what happens. What? Marshall turned into a cupcake. But at least it's a red cupcake, I guess. Look, we can take the cupcakes apart. This cupcake is a triangle shape cupcake. Look at that. Boop. Well, there's a red cupcake instead of Marshall. Who wants to go next? Should we use Zuma next? Okay, Zuma wears orange. So let's put Zuma in here and see what happens to Zuma. I knew we were gonna get an orange cupcake. And let's see what shape this one is. This one's a circle shape. But it's orange, just like Zuma. Ooh. Look at these fun cupcakes we're getting. All right, next we're going to do Rubble. Rubble wears what color? Yellow. So let's go ahead and put Rubble in. We're pressing the pizza button. There's another cupcake. This time it's yellow like Rubble. But what shape is it? Let's find out. This one's a rectangle. And it's yellow like Rubble. Look at those 3 cupcakes we have so far. And we have 3 more Paw Patrol. So let's go ahead and put Rocky in. Rocky wears the color green. Let's put him in the microwave. This time, let's press the chicken button. Ooh, chicken button. Ooh, look at that perfectly green cupcake. It matches Rocky really good. And let's see what shape we got. This shape is a diamond. There, look at our 4 cupcakes. It's like a rainbow. So next off, we're going to do Chase. Chase likes to wear the color blue. And it's dark blue, so let's go ahead and put Chase in. And which buttons should we press this time? How about the hamburger button? Ooh, we got a dark blue cupcake just like Chase. Let's see what shape this one is. Try to get it off. It's a little hard. You can see the shape on the bottom. It's a star. That one's cute. All right. Let's set these up like this. There. We have one more pup, and it's Skye. Oh, but what color does she wear? It's pink. She loves pink. This one, let's press this button. It's like a croissant, like a roll. Oh my goodness! Look, we got a pink cupcake just to match Skye. Oh my goodness, and look at that crazy shape. What does that shape look like? Kind of like a hexagon? Or what? Well, there's our pink one like Skye. Look at that, we made a pyramid of cupcakes. But what about Paw Patrol? They're gone. Maybe we should try microwaving these again. You know, they got kind of cold. I think we need to microwave them again. Let's try fitting them all in here. Do you think we can fit them all in here? I think we can too. Look at all those yummy cupcakes. All right, we gotta do a lot of these special buttons. All right, let's go ahead and microwave them. Ooh. No way, look! We got our Paw Patrol back, but not only that, it's Super Paw Patrol. They all have their capes and their masks. They're super pups. Here's Chase and Zuma. This one's Rocky. Oh, and Wubble. Oh, silly Marshall and Skye. Look at all of our super pups. Good job, super pups. You came from Cupcakes. All right, say bye to all the Paw Patrol. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ooh, for Chase. Let's warm it up for you, Chase. Oh my goodness! Hi, Paw Patrol. What are you doing today? We're hungry. We want to make some food in the microwave. Oh, really? Well, I think I have the perfect thing for you. Ooh, cupcakes! That's right. I got some yummy cupcakes right here. So you want to put them in the, you want to cook them in the microwave? Yeah, we need them nice and toasty. All right, we can do that. Just make some room. Let's start with the blue for Chase. Let's warm it up for you, Chase. my goodness! I thought we were just warming up a cupcake, but it turned into it's a chase. Wubble. What? Look, watch. Can't knock him down. Chase, how did that turn into a wubble and not your warm cupcake? I don't know, but I like it a lot. Oh, I bet you like it. I'm happy. Well, here's your little wubble back there. All right. Well, let's do Marshall next. Marshall's cupcake is red. It looks pretty yummy too. Let's warm it up. I wonder if it'll turn into another wubble. Oh, Marshall, look, it turned into Marshall Rubble. What? Marshall Wubble. Woo! Can you play with it? Yeah. You can't knock it down, it just wobbles around. I love it. I like it more than the cupcake. I like it way more than the cupcake. Awesome, Marshall. Here's your wubble. All right, next up, Rubble. Rubble sounds like wubble. Rubble, wubble. This is yellow. Yellow for Rubble. Rubble! Who knew this was gonna happen? Boop! We got a Rubble Wubble! Whoop. Rubble Wubble! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Don't go that crazy, Rubble! Here, sit back here by your Rubble. Alright, next up, Skye. We have pink for Skye. Oh my goodness, we just keep getting wubbles. Skye, look. Look how cute you guys look together. Wubble. Ah. You're not a wubble, Skye. This is the wubble. Look at all the wubbles we have. Those are really fun. All right, next up is Zuma, and his color is orange. Oh my goodness. We got our Wubble Zuma. Wubble Zuma. I like all these wubbles. They're fun. Oh my goodness. All right. Rocky, you're the last one. And for Rocky, we have green. Of course, we got a Rocky Wubble. Look at all you guys with your wubbles. Come out, come out. Oh my goodness, look at all these. Wubble around town. Look at all of them. These are fun wubbles. Can we fit them all in the microwave? I don't know if we can. We're so close. Oh my goodness. We got all of them in the microwave. So what's gonna happen if we turn on the microwave with all the Wubbles in there? Let's go ahead and find out. What? What is Chickaletta doing here? Well, there she went, Paw Patrol. What are we supposed to do now? You didn't get any cupcakes and the Wubbles are gone. What was that? Let's put all of us in the microwave and see what we get. Okay. Everyone want to do that? Yeah. Alright, it's easy to fit all you guys in the microwave. You aren't as big as Wubbles. Alright, let's go. What in the world? Poppy, what are you doing here? I'm not sure. I was eating some gumballs and then poof, I showed up in this weird contraption. Anyways, I'm gonna go find my gumballs. Bye, everyone. All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, guys. What is Chase doing in the microwave? Chase, get out of there. He wanted to play with the gumballs. Then he got stuck in there. Yeah, but that's okay. We'll let him out soon enough. Yeah, like right now. Oh my goodness. Look at all those gumballs. Oh my goodness, Chase, are you okay? That was awesome! I bet it was. Oh my goodness. Look at all these gumballs. Wowza. Okay, well, I think that's enough gumballs for anyone. Okay, then why don't we go ahead and get you guys all fixed up and ready. We're gonna go on a big race today, okay? Okay, me first. All right, Skye, you're gonna go first. Let's get you all ready. Look! Skye got all ready. Look, she's in her driving outfit. You look so good, Skye. Oh, you're all ready to go, aren't you? All right, next up, Marshall.
I'm on it.
Oh my goodness, look, Marshall, you changed just as good. You guys look so good. Look, they're in their good driving outfits. They look awesome. Rubble, you want to go next? Yes, I need to put on my driving stuff. And this just makes it go magical. That's right. Okay then. Oh, Rubble, good job. You turned into your crazy driving outfit too. All right, Chase, you're the only one without your driving outfit on. I know you got your crazy blasters out, but you gotta change into your driving outfit like everyone else. Okay, there we go. There, Chase, you're all ready now too. Look at our Paw Patrol, all ready to go and get their driving on. Except, where are your guys' cars? You left them? We have to go get all of your cars? Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do that. You know what? We're gonna use these gumballs right here. Chase, why don't you go ahead and go first? You get in the microwave and I'm gonna hand you some gumballs. There, we gave Chase 3 gumballs and he better come back with his car. Yep. Oh, thank goodness it worked. Chase, look, it worked. Woohoo! It worked! It worked! Yeah! Woohoo! Oh, Chase got his cruiser back. Awesome job, Chase. Me, I need mine. Let me go. Okay, Wubble, you get in there. And here's 3 gumballs. Now come back with your ride. There we go. Oh, check it out. It's Wubble in his dozer. He can get through anything with that drill. Oh yeah! I bet you're so excited. All right, Marshall, you're next. I'm going to give you 3 red gumballs. Alrighty then, here you go. Oh, Marshall, you did it! Woo! Woo-hoo! Marshall got his car too. Good job, Marshall. I knew you could do it. All right, Skye, you're the last one. And we're gonna give you purple gumballs. 3 purple ones. Okay, here we go with Skye. She's the last one. Oh yes, look, we got Skye too in her awesome motorcycle. But watch this. Whoop, now it's a hovercraft. Awesome. Okay, let's take away the microwave. Okay. Whoop. Now we have all of our Paw Patrol here with their cars, and let's send them off on a race. Okay, everyone line up. All right, say bye to your Paw Patrol. Bye, Chase. Bye, Wubble. Bye, Marshall. Bye, Skye. I'm gonna fly away. Woohoo! Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, look. What was that? Whoa, Paw Patrol, where did you come from? We're just our super pups and we've been flying around all day. All day? Yeah, all day long. That sounds so fun. Yeah, but now we're hungry, so could you make us some stuff in the microwave? We're really hungry. Yeah, we can make you something in the little microwave. But you know it's a magic microwave, right? Right, we love the magic microwave. Okay. So let's go ahead and make you some food. Let's open this up. And I brought with me some special stuff. They're gumballs. And look, they match all of your colors. So let's get these gumballs and get you some food out of it. So first, let's take a green gumball. And then let's do a pizza. Oh my goodness. Look what the green gumball turned into. It's a green cupcake. Just for you, Rocky. There you go. Okay, let's make everyone else's cupcakes. Let's do a yellow gumball next. Ooh, that smells so good. We got a yellow cupcake for Wubble. Okay, next up, pink. Oh, yummy. We got a pink cupcake, Skye. Oh, yummy. It's a pink one just for Skye. Oh, those look so good. Okay, let's do Zuma's next. It's orange. Oh my goodness, look. We got an orange cupcake for Zuma. Wow, look at all those colorful cupcakes. Oh, they look delicious. Let's keep going. We'll do Chase next with the blue gumball. Oh yes, we got a blue cupcake for Chase. Now we have one more gumball, so let's do it for Marshall. And it's red. Look, we got a red cupcake for Marshall. Yummy, you guys. Go ahead and eat some of your cupcake. Those were some yummy cupcakes, huh? Oh yeah, they were. And they're magic too. Want me to show you some more magic? Yes, please. All right, I'll show you some more magic. Check this out. Come here, Wubble. Okay, you guys are going to be in the microwave, and then let's see what happens. Magical microwave. Oh my goodness, look what Wubble turned into. He's a cowboy. Oh my goodness.